Hi friends, hope so you all are fine. Today I am go through the use of do, does, did. How we use do, does and did, and how we change the sentences with the help of do, does and did. First of all, I will tell you that we use do, does, did as helping verb. Do and does are used in present indefinite tense as a helping verb. Did is used in the past indefinite tense as a helping verb. We also use do, does, and did for the negative or interrogative sentences. When we are going to make negative or interrogative sentences, we use do, does, and did. Do is used with I, we, you, they, and plural noun. Do is mostly used with the plural noun. I and you are exceptional, but we use do with I and you. Does is used with he, she, it was a singular noun. Did is used with all subjects. Now I will tell you the sentence structure of the tense when we are going to change a positive sentence into negative sentence. In positive sentence we have a subject plus main verb. We use in present indefinite tense with main verb s and es. We add s and es plus object and full stop. For negative sentence we have a subject, helping verb, do and does according to the subject. Then we put not, main verb and object and then full stop. In interrogative sentences we have to put do and does according to the sentence at the start of the sentence, then subject, verb and then object, and at the end we put question mark. Here is an example of the negative sentence. First I have a subject, helping verb, not, main verb and object. I do not eat an apple. This is an example of negative sentence. Here are few examples of the present indefinite tense which we have positive sentences and we change into negative sentences. For negative sentences we use do and does according to the subject. Here is I write a letter. I is a subject which we use do. I do not write a letter. Number 2 is we play football. We is a plural noun, so we use here do. We do not play football. She goes to school. She is a singular noun, so use here does. She does not go to school. When we use do, does, did, we have a main verb in the first form, so we use here go. It means that she does not go to school. Number 4, Sarah draws a picture. In this, Sarah is a singular noun, so we use here does. Sarah does not draw a picture. Number 5, they like mangoes. They do not like mangoes because there is a plural noun, so we use do with the they. Interrogative sentences we have subject, verb and object in positive sentence. While we change into interrogative we have helping verb, subject, main verb plus object, and we put at the end a question mark. Number 1, I paint the wall. In this I we use do with I, so we put do at the start of the sentence. Do I paint the wall, and at the end we put question mark. Number 2, he writes a letter. He is a singular noun, so we use does with the singular noun. Does he writes a letter. Number 3, Sarah sings a song. Sarah is a singular noun, so we use here does. Does Sarah sings a song? At the end we put question mark. Past indefinite tense. In past indefinite tense we use did with all subjects. We have a subject plus second form of verb plus object. When we change into negative we have a subject, helping verb did and not, main verb we change into first form and object. At the end we put full stop. In this we have to change the second form into first form while we change into negative. Number 1, I caught a ball. In this caught is the second form of catch. So now we change into negative. I did not catch a ball. So did while we use did we have to put the first form. Number 2, he went there. He did not go there. Go is the first form of went. You spoke English. You did not speak English. Speak is the second form of first form of spoke. For interrogative sentences we have to put the helping verb did at the start of the sentence, and at the end we have to use put the question mark. Number 1, they gave us gift. Did they give us gift? In this we have to change the second form into first form, and at the end we put question mark. We use did with all the subjects, however it is he, she, it or they, etc. Number 2, I did exercise. Did I do exercise? Number 3, my mother cooked food. Did my mother cook food? These are the examples of interrogative sentences. Hope so it is clear that how we use do, does, did in the negative or interrogative sentences. We have to use do and does in the present indefinite tense and did with the past indefinite tense. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Take care. Bye bye.